Hello, I saw your question on discussion board. You want to find the secant of theta equals 6.8 on the interval half closed interval 0 degrees to 360 degrees. So you want to be in degree mode. Since it's on this interval, switch to reference angle. That's the prime here. Secant of theta, same as 1 over cosine theta. And I'm switching to reference angle. I'll find it first. So then I take the reciprocal of each side, and the theta prime would be the inverse cosine of 1 over 6.8. I put that in the calculator and I get 81.5. And so the secant or cosine's positive in quadrants 1 and 2. So the reference angle will be 81.5. So here in black, I draw a reference angle 81.5 in the first quadrant, and I draw it in the second quadrant. Now we want to come back and find theta. Well, in the first quadrant, the reference angle and theta are the same. So one answer is 81.5. The other answer, we got to find this angle here, and so it'll just be 180 minus 81.5, because that's 98.5. So we have two answers on this interval. And I guess we got to work it out. I think your question was on this first part here. We don't have a secant button on, most of the Texas Instruments calculators do not have a secant button, so you got to convert it to cosine. TI-84 does have the cosine, sine, and tangent button, so we got to convert it to one of those three. Okay, hope this helps.